graphing linear equations using slope and y-intercept. After going through this lesson, you are expected to graph a linear equation using slope and y-intercept. The third method is by using the slope and the y-intercept. This can be done by identifying the slope and the y-intercept of the linear equation. So, for example, we're going to graph the equation y equals 2x plus 1. So, what we're going to do is identify first the slope and the y-intercept of the linear equation. In this equation, the slope m is 2 and the y-intercept b is 1. We're now going to plot first the y-intercept and then use the slope to find the other point. So let's plot the y-intercept, which is 1. So that is in the y-axis. So from 0, we're going to move 1 unit up. This is our y-intercept. And then now we're going to use the slope. Note that 2 means 2 over 1. So this means 2 over 1. 2 is our rise and 1 is our run. Take note also that we have a positive slope. So from the y-intercept 1, we're going to move 2 units up. So 1, 2, and then 1 unit run to the right. And that's it. We're now going to connect the 2 points to make a line. Again, this is our y-intercept. And this is our second point. And this is now the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 1. Another example, graph the equation y is equal to x minus 3. So again, this can be done by identifying first the slope and the y-intercept of the linear equation. In this equation, m is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 3. So 1, the slope 1 means 1 over 1. 1 rise and 1 run. So now let's plot first the y-intercept, which is negative 3. So we're now going to move down 3 units. Since we have a positive slope again, we're going to run at the right. So we have to move 1 unit up for the rise and then 1 unit to the right for the run. And this is now our second point. And then let's connect the point to form a line. And then this is now the graph of y is equals to x minus 3. And that's how you graph a linear equation using the slope and y-intercept.